Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The Selkirk Sport SLK Halo series includes high-performance pickleball paddles designed for players seeking optimal control, power, and spin. The series features 3 models, Control, Power, and Halo Pro, each tailored to different playstyles and skill levels, making it a versatile choice for competitive and recreational players alike. All paddles in the Halo series are equipped with Halo carbon fiber faces, which provide exceptional durability and enhanced spin potential. This material allows for precise ball control and consistency, giving players more confidence in their shots. The paddles are designed to deliver superior spin, making them perfect for players who rely on spin-based strategies to outmaneuver opponents. At the core of each paddle is the RevCore Power polymer core, which combines a balanced mix of power and control, helping players achieve both quick reactions and strong shots. The polymer core ensures that the paddle absorbs impact well, providing excellent feel and responsiveness during play, while reducing vibrations for a more comfortable playing experience. The SLK Halo Control paddle is geared toward players who prioritize precision and touch, offering a more controlled feel on the ball. The Power version is designed for players who want to generate more force in their shots, delivering enhanced power without sacrificing control. The Halo Pro offers a blend of both power and control, making it suitable for experienced players who seek versatility on the court. Overall, the Selkirk Sport SLK Halo paddles are engineered for players who want to elevate their game with high-quality construction, enhanced spin, and a balance of control and power, making them an excellent choice for any pickleball enthusiast. Number 2. Selkirk Latitude. The Pickleball Paddles set is a comprehensive package designed for both men and women, ideal for players of all skill levels. This set includes USAPA-approved fiberglass surface paddles, ensuring they meet the official standards for competitive play. The fiberglass surface provides a great balance of durability and performance, enhancing the paddle's responsiveness and control, making it suitable for both recreational and tournament-level games. The set typically comes with 2 paddles, which are lightweight yet sturdy, offering a comfortable grip and optimal maneuverability. This makes it easy to execute quick spins and powerful shots, giving players an edge during fast-paced rallies. The paddles are designed to be well-suited for both beginners and more experienced players, offering a good combination of control and power. In addition to the paddles, the set also includes pickleballs, so players can start playing right out of the box. The paddles are usually paired with high-quality pickleballs designed for durability and consistent bounce, ensuring that players can enjoy a smooth, reliable game. Whether you're playing indoors or outdoors, the included balls provide optimal performance across different court types. The paddles are ergonomically designed with comfortable grips, typically made from non-slip materials to enhance control during extended play. This makes the paddles more comfortable for users, even during long games. The Pickleball Paddles set is a versatile and affordable option for casual players, families, or anyone looking to get into the game of pickleball with a reliable, high-quality set. Overall, this USAPA-approved set provides everything players need to enjoy pickleball, offering great performance, ease of use, and durability for both men and women. Number 3. Onix Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is an all-in-one set designed to provide everything you need for an exceptional pickleball experience. The bundle includes 2 high-quality paddles, 3 pickleballs, and a convenient carrying bag, making it ideal for players who want to hit the court right away, whether for casual play or practice. The paddles feature a G4 graphite face, known for its durability and lightweight design, which provides excellent control and precision on the court. The graphite face enhances the paddle's responsiveness, making it easier to react quickly during fast rallies. Inside, the paddles are equipped with the polymer RevCore, a core material designed to offer a perfect balance of power and control. This core also helps reduce vibration, resulting in a more comfortable and stable feel during gameplay. The set is designed for players of all skill levels, offering a versatile experience for both beginners and more advanced players. The paddles are well suited for players seeking accurate ball control, whether for soft dinks or powerful drives. The 3 pickleballs included in the bundle are designed for consistent bounce and durability, ensuring long-lasting performance. The bundle also includes a carrying bag, making it easy to transport your paddles, balls, and accessories to the court. The Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle is designed and crafted in the USA, reflecting Selkirk's commitment to quality and performance. Overall, this bundle offers an affordable yet high-performing pickleball set, combining the best of quality materials, design, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for pickleball enthusiasts looking for a complete package. Number 4. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is a top-tier pickleball paddle designed for players who prioritize control, power, and comfort. Featuring a graphite face combined with carbon fiber, the Mod Z5 delivers a superior blend of durability and performance. The graphite surface enhances the paddle's responsiveness, providing excellent touch and feel on every shot, whether you're executing a soft dink or a powerful drive. The carbon fiber construction further boosts the paddle's stiffness, ensuring that players can generate more power without sacrificing precision or control. At the core of the paddle is Onix's signature composite material, which optimizes the paddle's performance, offering a responsive and consistent response during play. This core is designed to provide solid ball control while reducing vibrations, resulting in a more comfortable experience for players, even during extended sessions. One of the standout features of the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is its cushion comfort grip, designed to offer players maximum comfort and reduce hand fatigue. This grip ensures a secure hold while playing, improving control and reducing slippage during intense rallies. The ergonomic design of the grip also adds to the paddle's overall ease of use, making it suitable for players of all skill levels. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is well regarded for its balance of power and control, making it ideal for both recreational players and more advanced athletes seeking to enhance their performance. With its combination of lightweight design, durability, and comfort, this paddle provides excellent value for those looking for a high-performance option on the court. Number 5. Joola Essential Pickleball. The Joola Essentials Pickleball paddles offer an excellent balance of performance and value, making them an ideal choice for both beginners and intermediate players. Designed with a reinforced fiberglass surface, these paddles deliver a durable and responsive hitting experience. The fiberglass surface enhances the paddle's power and control, allowing players to execute a variety of shots with accuracy and consistency. The surface also provides a larger sweet spot, increasing the chances of a clean hit and reducing mishits during play. At the core of each paddle is a honeycomb polypropylene core, which is known for its lightweight nature and high durability. This core design helps absorb impact and vibrations, offering a comfortable feel with each stroke. The honeycomb structure also contributes to a controlled response, ensuring that players have better ball control during dinks, drives, and volleys. The combination of the fiberglass surface and honeycomb core provides a balanced paddle that is responsive enough for aggressive play, yet forgiving enough for precise touch shots. The Joola Essentials Pickleball paddles are designed with a comfortable grip, making them easy to handle for players during extended play sessions. The lightweight construction of the paddles allows for quick maneuverability, which is crucial for fast-paced pickleball games. Overall, the Joola Essentials Pickleball paddles are a reliable choice for players looking for a durable, responsive paddle at an affordable price point. With their reinforced fiberglass surface, honeycomb polypropylene core, and comfortable grip, these paddles provide excellent performance and value, making them suitable for players who want to improve their game without breaking the bank.